Good day, my name is Alexander Rodriguez, April 2nd. Uh, Say software about we are serious software or company. My aim of group of excellent professionals, especially in the different areas of accounting uh, and tax administration. We have integrated our Kenway and experience to deliver Silk software according to a solution designed to satisfaction the new for administration and control of accounting and initial information of people or companies that carry out and take of activity, whether commercial, industrial, or service. General characteristics: you can manage limited database accounting, brace companies without limiting on the number of officers that you can enter, and your information without unconditional codes or restriction. It does not require additional software to connect from another place in the world source as remade despot time. We were all other we will raise speed and efficiency. Please take the description valor unity service license valor with client's license involves implementation electric mass of the service. Thank you.